Ah, so cool. Guess what I'm holding? Friendly reminder, it's an upcoming high-performance gaming phone. That's right, it's the Legion Y70 next generation phone, launching this month. This is the first time I've gotten my hands on one online. Thanks to Legion for this early access opportunity. Let me show you the unboxing. This box looks like it's under high security. We slowly open it. Wow, this is the Legion Y70 next generation phone itself. It feels even lighter and thinner, with a great grip. The back cover feels very high quality. The four corners are rounded, so it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It's lighter than I expected. After all, gaming phones are usually quite thick and heavy. Besides the phone, there's also a SIM card. The device's capabilities are already locked at the factory. I've been assigned the wake-up fragment that allows me to run maps even while on the toilet. Guess what this means? This fragmentation feature will be unlocked for you ahead of schedule on May 18th. Actually, I've been using this phone throughout the May Day holiday, and overall it's been very smooth to use. Whether it's daily use or heavy gaming, it handles it with ease. Especially in terms of gaming experience, many AI gaming functions are super useful. For example, when AI Game Keep Alive is enabled, the phone intelligently recognizes the scene. Even if I return to the desktop or switch to other apps in the background, it won't be cleared and the game will continue. When bypass charging is enabled, you don't have to worry about the phone overheating or damaging the battery while charging and playing. Surprisingly, I also found that the game controller I used with the Legion Y700 is also compatible with the Y70 phone. That's great. In the end, I would describe my overall experience with two words: smooth and intelligent. Seeing this, I even made a countdown mini program. The release of this feature on May 18th is getting closer and closer, which is really exciting. In short, this time, not only will we be able to get our hands on the device ahead of schedule, but this killer feature will also be released to us a day earlier than the launch event. So it's really full of sincerity.